Good morning, America. Today we will be learning about earthquakes, how they happen, and what to do in those types of situations. Also, we will have a few volunteers to help us out. Back at you, Dawn. Why are there earthquakes in Montana?
There are earthquakes in Montana because sometimes there's storms in the mountains, trees fall over, and the ground shakes.
Actually, that is not true. Actually, we are next to many fault lines and we are also in the International Seismic Belt. You are incorrect, sir. Back at you, Dawn. This is going to be on... Alright. Okay. I'll wink when it's going. Okay. So, Bob, what do you do in an earthquake?
You drop, cover, and hold on.
Can you demonstrate this for us?
Sure.
Way to go, Bob. To you, Dawn. Okay, that's good.
What is magnitude?
Magnitude is the stuff that makes the earthquake go.
Actually, magnitude is the measure of energy released in an earthquake. Back to you, Don.
Describe a fault for us.
Okay, a fault is like a crack in the earth made from an earthquake. And like when it offsets, there's a little crack in the earth, basically.
Nice job. Really great knowledge skills.
Knowledge thing.
Back to you, Dawn. Back to you, Dawn. What it is, though. Okay, well, we have it. What is a graben?
A graben?
Yes.
Okay. Is it some type of rock?
No.
Is it some type of
No. No. What did we learn about today, Ali? Well, Carmen, today we learned about earthquakes, how they happen, and what to do in the case of an earthquake. Sounds like a good day of learning. Back to you, Dawn. Good morning.
Yo soy Don.